You got a friend in me. Yep, that's what I want to talk about. Friendship. Hey, this is Stephen Price, and this is Grow Together. You know, friendships are important. One of the things that I like to do with my plants is we like to take them out to our friends and just put them on the front porch, let them enjoy them. It's a lot of fun. You remember the show Toy Story? Well, Woody really enjoyed Andy. He considered him a good friend of his. And then when Andy got that old Buzz Lightyear, Andy sang the song, and we've all heard it. You've got a friend in me. Yeah, you've got a friend in me. Man, you've got troubles, but I got them too. And you're my friend, and we'll see them through. Whatever comes up, we're going to make it do because you've got a friend in me. Boy, isn't that neat? You know, there's a quote that says, if you live to be 100, I hope I live to be 100 minus 1 because I don't want to live without you. That was from that famous person, Winnie the Pooh. It's kind of funny, but there is some meaning there. Who was your first friend? You remember their name? Oh, certainly you'd remember their name, but if you didn't, they weren't that good of a friend, right? But in the comment section, would you just leave their name? But I want you to think about this. What did you do with that friend? Are you still friends? Do you still do things with them? You know, we all like to have friends. You know, we know people. We know lots of people. But to have a friend, you know, you can read books about making friends. You know, Dale Carnegie wrote one about how to win friends and influence people, and there's numbers of other books out there. But a true friend, one that the Bible says it sticks closer than a brother. A friend that's so close that they're loyal, they're supportive, they're loving, they're kind, they're always there. It's that friend that you can share anything with them. Now that's a true friend. Those are those people that we can be around, we can be ourselves, and they can share things with us too. You know, it's hard to find a friend like that sometimes, but when you have one, man, you sure do cherish them. Boy, I'm so glad that God has made us where we can have really good friends. You know, at the end of Toy Story, and when Woody was still singing his song, he said, as the years go by, our friendship will never die. You're gonna see it's our destiny because you got a friend in me. You got a friend in me, and you do have a friend in me. Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.